welcome back to the channel. It is going to be a quick day. It is like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to be on the track in like an hour, and look what we are pulling into. The stadium. Yes. It is driller time. About to get our armband and get ready for practice. Oh, Keith's got a line of them. Chuck, you've been busy.
What's up, T-Mez?
Been busy over here.
Yeah, 14.
Dang. That is impressive. That is impressive. It just keeps going. It's going around the corner still. How was your trip? Trip was good. The trip was good. I had a great drive. Madeline drove the whole way, and I lounged. There it is. And if you've seen my last video, it is ready to go. So we pretty much, I didn't want to travel with these shocks, so I'm gonna put my other set of shocks on the car, get the cameras on the car, and get ready for practice number 21. Check out the new Hero Mini 11. Gonna get you guys on the helmet cam, and it is almost go time. So thanks for watching TmezTv. I got a little bit, but it's already fogging my shield up. Hi, Todd. Man, it's slick as... Well, the track is a lot slicker than I assumed it was going to be, but it's got a little bit of a curb, it's got a top, so we're gonna go run a couple laps on the bottom, see how this thing is on the berm, and then we're gonna get to the top, run some laps around the top, and see what it does. Practice day for me at the Chili Bowl is all about just getting laps and getting comfortable in the car and having faith in what the car is gonna do anywhere on the track. So I'm not gonna go try to go fast time, that doesn't matter. It's all about just getting comfortable in the race car.
Yeah.
what, they gave us a fucking 3 laps? Like literally 3. I need to keep an eye on the track because the track sucked and I was not getting ready for it. Car wasn't terrible, but car wasn't terrible.
Sorry.
You're good.
Dude, car looks sporty.
Well, that's good. I just,
Half might be too much.
huh?
What's it called?
Thank you.
Everything else run okay?
It seemed good, yeah. Yeah, I didn't get any laps.
No.
I swear to God, there was like 3 laps.
I know.
And I thought the 51 was going to the top, so I went to the bottom one too many times, which doesn't matter. I mean,
Did it feel like it was lugging? And I've got a big gear in it.
yeah, no, it didn't lug one bit.
Okay.
Yeah.